Hi, my name is Kareem Fahim, Senior Product Line Manager at EXFO, and I am here today to introduce EXFO's latest innovation for field testing. So the FTB880 NetBlazer tester is really the latest innovation in EXFO's long line of field testers. It is unique for today's field tester needs for three key reasons. Number one, it's a comprehensive all-in-one truly integrated test module that covers all the test requirements for DSN-PDH, SONET SDH, and Ethernet services all the way up to 10 gig rates. The second reason is the Flex configuration. With Flex, what you can do is you can configure any combination of rates and interfaces on the module to suit and exactly match the needs of every field technician. And you can do that knowing that it's very easy to add additional rates or interfaces later on via simple software upgrades in the field. This makes for maximum configuration flexibility with minimum downtime, and it provides the peace of mind of knowing that the unit you buy today will match and will continue to suit your needs, not just for today, but for tomorrow as well. The third reason is all of this is delivered within the STB1 platform, which has a unique, simple, easy-to-use GUI, and it also offers unmatched connectivity options, whether it's the Ethernet port that's capable of going up to gigabit Ethernet rates, the USB ports, or the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity options. Finally, when you look at all of this together, the FTB1 with the FTB880 NetBlazer module in it make for a unique, adapted solution for today's field technician.